Hello friends, welcome to my vlog. Introduce myself. My name is Yusi Kurniawati and usually call Yusi. This afternoon, I will go to a tourist place called the Indian Village. And my host to the Indian Village is approximately 20 miles. Let's go there now, guys. Now, I have arrived at the location on the slope of the Kelud mountain, presently in the village of Sempu, Subdistrict Ngancar, Kediri Regency. Access to the Indian village is not difficult and easy to find, especially now that GPS is easier to access. Before entering, we must park our vehicle first by paying 5,000 rupiah for a motor pass and the 1,000 rupiah for a car. The parking lot is very wide, right? After parking our vehicle, we go straight to the counter to buy entry tickets worth 5,000 rupiah per person. The destination of this wonder is currently hit on social media because it is unique with. When you come to this Indian village, you will be present with the nuances of Indian trees like in America. You will see a tent that remembers an Indian tribe's residence. Not only that, accessories such as typical hats and Indian tribal costume are also available here. The typical hat is decorated with feathers and beautiful peacock feathers. Indian village tourism has an area of around 0.56 hectares. Around it, there are sengon and pineapple trees, also equipped with swimming pools and tree houses. The location is location on the slope of Kelud mountain, so that the view of the plateau can also be enjoyed by visitors. To rent a free wooden house, but you have to be careful. From the top of the wooden house, we can see the cemetery around it, and this wooden house is the highest place you can visit. For those who like to be photographed, it's possible for being used or to search for the vertical objects. If you are interested in wearing the Indian hat, you can take selfies by wearing the Indian hat. Indian dances feel more complete when there are some people who dance like Indians, accompanied by music. And it is not always available and might also occur when there are visitors. The tour is suitable for family vacation. And the tourism spot is open at 7 in the morning until or in the afternoon every day. Yes, my friends, have traveled to his Indian village first. I meet tomorrow. I am Yusi Kurniawati. Thank you for watching my channel. See you. Goodbye.